All right, so I wanted to show you guys some behind the scenes action of me creating a video, which is gonna come out this Friday. I've never done this before, so shout outs to El Duan. I was looking on his social media and I saw how he was creating some video footage and using a green screen. So I was like, all right, let me give it a shot. I'm one of those creatives where I usually don't spend a lot of time thinking about what I'm gonna do. If I get like an idea or a picture, I just kind of go for it. So with this green screen, I literally don't even know how I'm at this point going to make the backdrop different, but I know I'll figure it out somehow, some way. So this is me taking different angles. So obviously I'm in my living room. My wife don't know where I was, so don't tell her. And essentially what I'm trying to do is have different angles. I think my favorite angle is this up top angle here where I'm kind of looking up to the heavens, if you will. And I'm trying my best to think about like, all right, what's the audience gonna look like or look when they see me, shooting this content in the actual video. And so here's me trying to make sure I got my little swag poses. I got an angle where I'm looking down, looking up, standing up. And so I'm trying to make sure I keep my body inside of the green screen. And being 6'5", it doesn't help, but you gotta figure it out as you go.
Right in that hieroglyph.